Hi everyone, this video is on the mixed exercise 9 question 30. So we have this equation which is e to the 2x plus e to the 2y is equal to xy, and we want to find dy by dx in terms of x and y. So this is again an implicit differentiation, and one of the signs to identify that is when you have a combination of the independent and dependent variable, and it's not written in the explicit form that y is equal to then something times x plus something else. Also, there is a sign in the question as well which says give your answer in terms of x and y. Okay, so we want to differentiate this. The first time e to the 2x differentiates to, remember that exponential function, you first differentiate the function in the power, and then that comes down as the coefficient, and you write the function itself again. So 2x differentiates to 2, and then we write the function again, 2e to the 2x. E to the 2y differentiates this in the same way. There is a slight difference because we have the dependent variable here, and whenever you differentiate the dependent variable with respect to independent variable, you need to multiply the derivative by dy by dx at the end. So in this case, e to the 2y, again, it's the same as the previous one, differentiates to 2e to the power of 2y, but times dy by dx, because this is the dependent variable that is differentiated with respect to x, or the independent variable. And then on the right hand side, we have the product rule. So I'm going to, because one function is x, the other one is y, I'm going to write the first function times the derivative of the second function. Y differentiates to 1, and then we have dy by dx now as usual, plus, and this time it's the derivative of the first function times the second function. X differentiates to 1, 1 times y is just y. Okay, at this point, we need to have all the dy by dx terms on one side and everything else on the other side, so we can write dy by dx in terms of x and y. So I'm going to keep 2e to the power of 2y dy by dx on the left hand side, and then I'm going to take away x dy by dx from both sides, so that I have this dy by dx on the left hand side, and then move everything else on the right hand side. So we don't want to have 2e to the 2x on the left hand side, so it's going to be minus 2e 2x plus y. Now we can take a factor of dy by dx. Remember, when you want to write dy by dx in terms of x and y, the step is always the same. You need to rearrange such that you can take a factor of dy by dx. So dy by dx, and then times 2e to the power of 2y minus x is equal to minus 2e to the power of 2x plus y. And at this point, we just divide everything by the bracket. So minus e to the power of 2x plus y is over 2e to the power of 2y minus x. And this is the derivative. Okay, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.